Welcome back to another tech video. This is I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem is that Snapchat is still not sending problems in your phone. So to fix the issue, just simply follow some steps to fix the issue. Just simply go back to the setting of your phone, and after make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. Just simply have to make sure that setting, and simply go back to Snapchat and just go to the chat section and just like when you want send a snap to that person and you didn't send that, so you have to fix the issue. Just simply tap on that, and you have to make sure that you just go to manage friendship, and you have to make sure that you didn't block them and him. So if it blocked you and you didn't block them, then you have to make sure that you just didn't do that. So and also make sure that it is in your friend list. If it's not in your friend list, then you cannot send streak to that. So you have to make sure that settings. Just simply make sure that settings to fix the issue. Just simply after do that all settings and just make a friendship with them person you want to send a streak, just like that. I want to make a snap just like that. I'm just like a snap of that person, just like a snap on my keyboard. Just tap on that, and just simply I want notification. Just tap on send to, and just like that I want to snap to that person, and just like that, and you see it's sending. Just like that is sending because that person in my friend list and I cannot block them. So that's the setting you have to make sure to fix the issue. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.